For reference, this is how much hair I have. Not a lot. Not a lot at all. Like about a teaspoon's worth of hair. And my hair is thin. Genetics and menopause. Okay, I've got my teeth whitening strips on, so I'm going to sound a little funny. But I wanted to try this because I'm getting ready to go out. And I got this, like, hair thing from Shein. I can't say it with this on. Because after I get my hair done, I like to sometimes leave it out a little bit and not mess with it. Because, yes, it is chemically straightened. No judgment. But I do like to not always have it up and in the business. And this is supposed to be like this is not what I had ordered. What this was supposed to be was supposed to have like an attachment onto it to where you could just like wear it like a hair headband. But instead it has these clips. So this is not what I had asked for. But I'm going to see if there's any way that I can make it work. I don't think so. I think it's just going to be a terrible failure. But, you know, in the spirit of the internet, let's try to fail together. Isn't that collectively as a society what we're doing right now? Anyway, this is not a political commentary channel. We're bougie but budget friendly. And this was super cheap. So maybe that's why they just decided not to put the hair headband on. I don't know exactly what this is going to do. So let's see. You know, I only have about a handful of hair. So here's hopes. I'm just going to move my hair around the back of my head. I'm not even going to call it a part because this is not a part. But I want to get as much surface area of my head as possible and where the hair is the least thin to see if I can put it under there and make something happen. The bar is in hell with this because this is not this. This is what I ordered. Let's see what happens here. And I hate combs in my hair. My hair is so thin. It's like I put these combs in it and it's so heavy. And then my poor little hair, and it's just so thin. Yeah, see? Okay, well. Let me try this one more again. Let me see. Okay. See, and I don't like putting these in because they're hard to like clasp. So I'm going to actually try to feel around on my head so that it lands in the same spot on both sides. Okay, so there's one. Two. Three. 4. 5. I feel like the count. 1, 2. Oh man, these thin edges in this hair. Well, it's maybe it's not terrible. Hang on. Wait a minute. It's not terrible. Oh my God. Okay, let's see how humpy it is in the back though. Okay, wait a minute. Do we kind of like this? Oh, and it matches my hair color? Wait a minute. How much did I pay for this on Shein? Okay, I think a little bit of maneuvering to keep the tracks from showing. But, oh, cute. Okay, stop it, Loretta. I don't know who Loretta is, but it felt appropriate. I don't know what the back is going to look like, but the front sure is cute, and it works with my little thin hair. I don't want to put any heat on my hair today because I just got it done last night. Now, the little piece in the back here is a little bumpy, but okay, this is actually not terrible. I thought this was going to be awful. Oh, and it doesn't hurt. It's not heavy. I sound crazy. I know. Okay, wait. Let me see if I can show you the back. Let me see. Hang on. I don't know what it looks like, so you guys got to tell me if it looks crazy. I'm going to watch it in editing, and you're going to tell me if it looks nuts, okay? I think I could handle laying it down a little flatter back here from what I can feel. But here's what's going on in the back. I don't know if you're seeing anything, friends, but this is what it is. And I'll be damned if it's not just the cutest little thing. Okay, my edge is thin. So I gotta like cover this up a little bit more, because you see how you can see that? But I'm not mad. It took me 20 seconds to do this, and it's so cute. Oh, wait a minute. This is adorable. I gotta go back onto Shein and order another one. Oh, cute. Okay. Inexpensive for the win. Again, like the last inexpensive Shein wig that I showed you, this is gonna tangle. But while it's just sitting like this, I mean, I could throw my hair into a little ponytail. I could do pigtail. Oh, how cute would I look with some pigtails? This is cute. It's very versatile. I thought this was going to be a joke and that it was going to be laughable. Girl, go to Shein and get this. Go and get it. It's going to match your off black hair color to a T. It is perfect. This is how much I paid for it. I don't remember because I don't have. Okay. I am so excited about this. This is so funny. This is not sponsored by Shein or anything. This is me going online and looking for stuff. So, oh my gosh, this is cute. This is so cute. Okay. Now I'm just being extra. She's happy. And if the back looks crazy, don't tell me. I mean, tell me, but I'm going out in the street like this just to see how it feels and see how long I can wear it. I'm gonna come back. It's probably about 3:30 right now. And usually after you've had clips in your hair all day, moving around and doing all the things, you're done. I'm going to come back at the end of the day and let you know how all this feels and if it like holds up and doesn't fall out. But so far, yep, this is a keeper. I'm going to go take these white strips off and whiten my teeth some more. I'll see you soon, sugar, okay? I'll be back. Friends, it has been all day. All day, I tell you. It is like 9:17 at night, so probably not all day, but like for the better part of the day. And aside from there being a good swift wind, we've done all right. I felt the breeze on my scalp, and I usually don't because I've either got on a hat or a wig, and it was so nice to feel the breeze on my scalp. At first, I was like, oh my God, my wig fell off. No, you just have the little pieces on. It did so well. What I do think I would change when I do it again is I would probably like pull the sides out a little further. I mean, my hair is thin on the sides, so it's harder to do. But I think I would probably just be a little bit more precise with how far out I space each of these, because it's kind of bunching up a little bit in the back here. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's right here. I think it cost me $6.78. And just for like a quick, easy, like put your hair together kind of a thing, I love it. It really was great. And I think having easy ways to take care of your hair that aren't expensive, or easy ways to make yourself feel beautiful if you don't necessarily have the budget, are important. And I feel like this looks so natural. I mean, like, okay. And the biggest thing you got to do when you're putting it together and doing it is just make sure that you're blending your short pieces with your long. But this was great. I really did like this. And I think I'm going to do that little hack that I've seen people do where they wear like a clip in and they make it a ponytail and make it look like a seamless ponytail. So I think all I'll need to do is put this in upside down and I'll be able to get like a cute curly ponytail. I'm excited. Again, $6 and some change. This is not sponsored. I don't have an affiliate link, but I will give you the link in the pinned comment or in the description box somewhere so that you can go and get this, because I'm your bougie but budget-friendly BFF. Not everything is about getting a commission or something, getting it paid for. Sometimes your girl's just going to give you what I can give you because If you can get it, you should get it. But yeah, sometimes I am going to give you an affiliate link, and I would appreciate it, because there's times when I'm just giving you the goods, and sometimes I'm selling you the goods, but with honesty attached. So yeah, that's that with that. And I am super, super loving this look and the way it came out. And if you want to head over to Shein and get this, I can say it now because I don't have my white strips on anymore. But if you want to get this look, definitely do it. This is the color black brown. That's what I got because my hair is black brown. I guess that's the color that it is in nature, IRL, in the wild. I really love how well it blends with my hair. It's great, and it's inexpensive. So I'm rambling. It's late. It was wonderful. If you can get it still, get it. It was easy to install, and I'm easy to take off. I'm gonna snap them, just reach underneath and unsnap it and take it off. I'm taking my happy self to bed. I'm done for the day. Done. And that's sometimes the hardest part, is the ungetting dressed. Yeah, I'm ungetting dressed now. So I will see you next time, sugar. And I hope this was helpful. Okay, bye.